Hello, my dear children. Let's learn from the chapter on clothes we wear. Please open to page number 52. Now, we all wear different clothes. Like food and shelter, clothes are our basic need. We wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, and insects. In today's world, we have a variety of clothes and clothing material to fulfill our need. But the early man had no choice. They used to cover their body with leaves, bark of trees, and skin of animals. Now, children, before we start the chapter, let's learn something about the history of clothes. You must have brought your clothes from a supermarket or a boutique. But have you ever wondered why do we need clothes? Early humans covered themselves with leaves and twigs. The animal skin was not enough to resist the temperature in winters and in summers. This is why they started covering themselves with animal skin and fibers from plants to stand harsh summers and winters. How did early humans make clothes? They made clothes from fibers which were obtained from plants and animals. Flax is the oldest fiber in the human history. It was obtained from the bark of the flax plant. Through spinning and weaving, flax fiber was converted into the linen fiber, a fabric which was very famous in Egypt and Mesopotamia. The idea of tanning of wool from sheep came much later, but still it is one of the oldest fibers. Felt is one of the oldest textile to be created from wool. No spinning or tanning was required to make felt. Later on, humans started cultivating the cotton crops. Indus Valley civilization is one of the oldest civilization to cultivate cotton. The fabric was worn as a drape since stitching had not been invented. Gradually, people started stitching after the invention of needles. At first, needles were made from bones and ivory. Now, meanings. Twigs, a small thin branch on a tree or bush. Civilization, a society which has its own way of life. Ivory, the hard white substance that the tusks of elephant are made of. Spinning, to make thread from a mass of wool or cotton. Cultivate, prepare and use land for growing plants for food. Harsh, that is unkind. Drape, to put a piece of material, clothing, etc. loosely on something. So children, that's all for now. Thank you.